Hello students, how are you all? In my previous video, we have done the topic Roman numerals. Today we are going to do a revision of the topics of comparing numbers, Roman numerals, rounding of the numbers, and we will try to understand these topics once again. Comparing numbers means to know the difference between numbers and values and then decide if they are greater than, smaller than, or equal to. Remember the alligator story? If the number is bigger on the left side, then alligator will open his mouth towards left. If the number is bigger on the right side, then alligator will open his mouth towards right. And if both sides are equal, then the sign of equal to will come. Let us look into some examples. Different number of digits. Like, for example, the number is 1679 and the other number is 379. So 1679 is a 4-digit number and 379 is a 3-digit number. So we know 4-digit will be bigger. So sign of bigger will come. Sign of greater than will come towards left side and it will open its mouth towards left side. Now suppose another example. Same number of digits. Example is 8484 and the other number is 7324. Both sides 4-digit numbers are there. So we will compare the figure from the 1000 digit. In 1000 the left side has digit 8 and in the right side the digit is 7. So the alligator will open its mouth. 8 is greater than 7. So alligator will open its mouth towards 8484. Another example is 6152. And other side the number is 6352. In 1000 place both side the digit is 6. So it will remain same. In 100 place one side it is 1 digit and the other side it is digit 3. So 3 is greater than 1. So alligator will open its mouth towards right side. Now next example is 3970 and 3930. Here in the 1000 place both side it is 3. In the 100 place both side it is 9. And in the tens place the left side is 7 and the right side is 3. So 7 is greater than 3. So alligator now will open its mouth towards left side, that is towards 3970. Another example is 9984 and the other side is also 9984. As both sides all the digits have same number, so the sign of equal to will come. The next topic is ordering of numbers. Ordering of number means to write in ascending order and in descending order. Ascending order means to arrange the numbers from the smallest to the greatest, that is going towards up from the smallest number to the greatest number. And descending order means to arrange the number from the greatest to the smallest, that is going down from the smallest number to from the biggest number to the smallest number. Now let us look into one example. Here the number is 1032, 681, 5847, 3218, 1459. So all the digits have 4 digits except one, that is 681. That is, it has only 3 digits. So while writing in ascending order, the first number we will write is 681. After this, the bigger number than this is 1032. After this, the number is 1459. We are moving from smallest to the biggest. After this, the number is 3218. and the last number will be 5847. While writing in descending order, we will go from greatest to the smallest. So the greatest number is 5847. After this, smaller than this is 3218. After this, next is 1459. Then it will come 1032, and the last one will be 681. That is how we will write ascending and descending order. Next topic is forming numbers with given digit. Formation of number means to arrange the different digits in different combinations to form many multiples of numbers. Let us look into this example. Here the digits given are 4, 3, 6 and 8. To form the greatest number of from this digit, we have to write the biggest digit, that is 8. Then in the 100 place it will be 6. In the tens place it will be 4, and in the ones place it will be 3. For the smallest number from this, we will write the smallest digit, that is 3. In the 1000 place, then 4 will come in 100 place, 6 will come in tens place, and 8 will come in ones place. So these are the two greatest and smallest number we will get from these digits. We can make various number from these digits. You can see how many numbers we can make only with the combination of these 4 digits. The next topic is rounding of numbers. Rounding of numbers means to give the approximate value of the number or to estimate the figures and amount. First we will go for round off to the nearest 10. Round off to the nearest 10 means if in ones place the digit is from 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, then we will round off it down to down. That is, for example, the number is 54. In the ones place the digit is 4. So we will round it off down, that is till 50. If in ones place the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then we will round it up. That means we will add 1 in tens place. Let us look in this example. The number is 56. So in the ones place the digit is 6. Then what we will do for this? We will add 1 from in tens place, that is 5 plus 1 will become 6. So it will be 60. Then the rounding off to the nearest 100. Now we will see the tens place. If in tens place the digit is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, then we will round it down. Let us look into this example, 636. In the tens place the digit is 3. So we will round it down, that is to 600. And if in the tens place the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then we will round it up and add 1 in the 100 place. Let us look this example now. 686. In tens place what digit is it? It's 8. So we will round it up and add 1 in 100 place. It will be equal to 700. Next is rounding off to the nearest 1000. If in 100 place the digit is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, then we will round it down. Example is 8279. In 100 place what digit it is? 2. So we will round it down to 8000. Now if in 100 place the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then we will round it up. So the number is 8729. So in 100 place what digit it is? 7. So we have to round it up and it will be written as 9000. The next topic is Roman numerals, which is also the last topic of this chapter, that is numbers. Roman numerals is a way of writing numbers in a different way. This way of writing numeral system has originated in Rome, and numbers represented here are a combination of letters of alphabet series. Let us have a look into this table. Here the Hindu Arabic numerals are written. The digit 1 in Roman numeral is represented as I. Digit 5 is represented as V. Digit 10, number 10 is represented as X. Number 50 is represented as L. Number 100 is represented as C. Number 500 is represented as D. And 1000 is represented as M. To write other numbers from these basic series, we have to follow some rules. The rule number 1 says that repetition of numeral means that we have to add that letter. A symbol cannot be repeated more than thrice. We cannot repeat the symbol, and the symbol, that is V, L and D, are never repeated. Let us look into some examples now. Here the first example is I. I means, from the table we have seen, it means 1. So we will write it 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3. So I is repeated only 3 times. We can't repeat it more than 3 times. So it is equal to 3. The next example is X. X symbol denotes digit number 10. So 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. We cannot repeat this X more than thrice. 3 बार से ज़्यादा नहीं कर सकते repeat. So another example is XXX, which means 10 plus 10 plus 10 equal to 30. Rule number 2 says smaller value symbol, if it is in the left of greater value symbol, then the value gets subtracted. For example, I and V. V denotes number 4. How? I represent 1, which is on the left side of V, and V represent number 5. So when we will subtract 1 from 5, that is 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. So how we will write 4? I, V. In the similar way we have to write even 9. I, X. That is 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Rule number 3 says symbol of smaller value on right of a symbol of greater value. Then what we have to do? We have to add it. Suppose the number is VI, which is 6. So I is 1. It is on the right side of V. So V is 5. And if we add 5 plus 1, it is equal to 6. The last rule of Roman numeral is to express number greater than 10. Then first we have to split it in terms of tens and ones. Suppose the example is 12. Here we will split it first in tens and ones. Tens is 10 plus in ones it is 2. So how do we write 10? X. And how do we write 2? I. So X and I is equal to 12. Next example is 18. Here we will split it into 10 plus 5 plus 3. For 10, the numeral system, Roman numeral system denotes X. For 5, it is V, and for 3, it's I 3 times. So we will write X, V, I, which is equal to 18. The next example is 29. We will split in tens, 10 plus 10 plus 9. We know how to write 10. For 10 we have the digit, we have the alphabet X. And another 10 it's X, and for 9 we will write as IX. So the whole number will become as XXIX. That's how we have to write these Roman numerals. Students, with this we have completed our chapter 1, that is numbers. I believe you must have understood all the topics. Try to solve this worksheet, and if you have any queries you may message me. Bye bye and take care.